Okay, Glogster is a online web tool that allows you to create posters. There is a free version, and as a teacher, you might want to just do the 7-day trial, which is free, and then allows you to have all the access to the features that you can't get with the free version. Once you log in, you automatically go straight to your dashboard. I have 7 days on my trial license. If it were me and you didn't want to spend the money to use this because you really want to try it first to see how your students receive this, then I would go ahead and do the trial license. Depending on your budget and how much you get per year to buy paper and supplies, in Baldwin County, they get, I believe it's $300 now. It isn't that expensive. Okay, these are the prices for the different levels, and you can also just talk to a live chat person or just try the 7-day free trial. Let me go to Glogpedia so I can show you what that is. Glogpedia has examples of work that has been done by students all over the world. For example, I'm going to go to science and I'm going to scroll down to environmental studies and I'm going to click on it. It'll help the students when they go through this kind of look at ideas like this person did one on global warming. So then you can look at what they've done. Most of this has already been provided. All they have to do is click on the box and type in whatever they want. So they did theirs on global warming, the impact of global warming to dangerous animals, endangered species. They added a video right here through YouTube. They put in factors about the Arctic region, pictures of polar bears and pandas and so forth and so on. So, it just depends on what they want to include. Let me show you the classes, how you can add classes. Everywhere you click, it's going to tell you how to do this. Create a class here. You can sort it by name or glogs. I would just sort it by name. For this class, I would write Environmental 1, which would be the first block, Environmental 2, second block, and so forth and so on. Then you can actually add students to this. And let me show you, add new students. If you click on this, this is your options to add students. These are projects, portfolios. This is where they would store those things. Okay, so I'm going to create a new glog. When you hit create a new glog, you have a choice of starting from scratch. And this is the vertical version or the horizontal version. I'll just click on the horizontal version just to show you. When you click on the horizontal version, it takes a minute for it to come up, and you've got upload. This is going to save it to the cloud, and this is where if you click on it, this is a grab tool. You can grab a new video. You could actually click on this. Your students could click on this, and if they have a webcam, they're going to just look at their computer and they can actually create their own video and upload it. You can just grab audio or just take a picture of themselves. The MacBook Airs have the ability, of course, because they have a built-in webcam, so they can do that as well, but we're not going to do that. I just wanted to show you that you can do that. Notice that each of these are boxes. You could add more. So if you click on this, you get the toolbar. You can add text. If I click on text, here are my choices, and then you see the arrow right here. You can just go through this, and the students can just drag. I want to put this in here, okay? And I think I want this here too. There's many choices. This is the trial version, so I have everything available. Headers, if I want graphics, in Glogster, there is graphics already, and if you look, there are different choices here. Let's go to Science 1 just to see what they have. Okay, so they have clip art, and you just click, and you just keep going. You can, they can drag and drop anything they want in here. If they want to put an image, they can have them, is this my images, or go to Google and upload some images. The wall, let's look at the gallery of the wall. Let's see, let's do by ecology. And you just click and see, these are the walls. This is the background. So let me just choose this one. It's just drag and drop. So it just puts that in there. And then audio, again, you can create your own audio, video. You can add data. This is your attachment. This is where you can add your attachments. But anything you're needing to do, it will just show you how to do it. If you make a mistake, you can just go back and it just gets rid of it. When you're ready to save, you just go ahead and save it. We'll go back to dashboard. Now, I want to create a new blog. I'm going to now choose one of these. And these are probably what the students will choose. They don't have to, even though it says experimental or history timeline, that doesn't matter. They can use any of these and change the wording because you have the ability to change text. We're doing environmental science. I want to go ahead and choose this one. Now, this is what it would look like. You see how it shows you in the top right corner what the actual whole design looks like. But here's where they can just drop images, get rid of something if they don't want that there. You see, you just click on it. If you don't want it, then choose a trash can. You don't want this video here, then choose a trash can. Every time you click on something, you have choices on what you can do. If you go to Glogpedia and you just want to see examples, see, you can get ideas. Go to science again and you can scroll down. You see we got ecosystems and we've got environmental studies. So we'll click on environmental studies. And then there's all of these. I liked this one. I thought it was really nice because this is the subject we're doing anyway. It's on land, so there's deforestation. And it gives them ideas. They can just kind of scroll and look. So the first day of the lesson plan, I would just cover the material with them, have a discussion, and then show them how to use Glogster, and then let them and their groups that you've already assigned, let them get together and start going through this and getting ideas and talking about it so that the next day, which is day 2 of this, they can go ahead and start adding and working together. The third day would be the day that you would actually present everyone's work. When students know that this is going to be shown to the whole class, they're not going to make it look sloppy, or you would hope so, that they would really try to make a really impressive poster with the criteria that you have assigned them what you want them to do. So this is how you use Glogster, and it's a great tool.